Hello friends, in this lecture we will take a look at CSS Colors. Colors have already been mentioned in our HTML section, but again I am mentioning it here because it may happen that you have skipped that lecture in HTML, and that's why again I am mentioning it here but just in a different way. So let's proceed. So first of all, inside body, let's mention here a p tag, and inside here say I am John. Let's save it. And after title, mention here the style tag, and inside style, right here say p color red. Now there are two types of colors that you can mention in CSS styles. One is hex value of a number and another is RGB color. Let's provide a color using hex value. So it starts with hash. After this hash, you need to provide 6 letters. The first two for red. Each letter can vary from 0 to 9 and A to F. So all F is white and all 0 is black. So let's make it FFF. Now you can't see because the background color is kind of white only of every page. So let's make its background color hash 000, which is black. Let's save it. So let's open with Firefox, and here it is. See, I am John, the text color is white and the background color is black. So it is same as 6 Fs. So what it is taking? 2 Fs at a same time. And the same as 000. The 000 is similar to 6 zeros. Now let's copy it and paste it, and let's add a class of say RGB. Now mention here p.rgb. We will have a color. Now we'll be using RGB here. So it's RGB. Now what is RGB? RGB is red, green, blue. So you need to provide values. The first one is for red and its value varies from 0 to 255. Let's provide 255, which is the last one, and let's provide the green value 0 and the blue value 0, and let's give semicolon at the end. So we are providing a color of red because we are providing other values 0. Let's hit refresh. Sorry, I didn't save this. Now come here and hit refresh. See, I am John is red. Now let's provide 255 value of green also. So 255 red and 255 green. So when red and green are mixed, we get kind of yellow color. Let's save it and hit refresh here. See, now it's yellow. So it works like this. You can also have a color which is RGBA, where it accepts 4 values. These 3 are for RGB only, and the last one is the opacity, and its value varies from 0 to 1. Let's make it 0.5. Save it. See, it's 50% transparent. Let's save this. So this is about CSS colors. So you can provide it by using the name only, like red, green, blue, like this. Then you have the color code, hexadecimal color code, like say BBB, DDD, FFF, like this, where FFF is white and 000 is black. And then we can provide color using RGB, where the first one is for red, next for green, then for blue. And if you mention RGBA, it means that you want to play with the opacity or the transparency, and hence you can include RGBA, this A for alpha. And then you can provide a value varies from 0 to 1. So that's it, friends. In this lecture we took a look at CSS colors. In our next lecture we will take a look at CSS backgrounds. So that's it, friends. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.